In this tutorial, I will show you how you can uninstall CapCut from Windows 11 operating system. Let's start. First, go to Start menu. Click on it. Go to Settings. On the right side, you will see the apps. Click on it. Go to top, you will see Install Apps. So you will find all the apps you installed. On the search box right here, CapCut, you will see one app found. CapCut. Click on 3 dots. 2 options will come. Click on Uninstall. 1 messages will pop up. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Click on Uninstall. You will get a message, are you sure to answer CapCut? Click on checkbox so you can keep your complete project for future use. Click on OK. CapCut uninstallation will be started. Complete, click on it. So you see right now there is no CapCut app in here. Thanks for watching.